This is a short review of the GOYJOY water pump feeding system. As you can see, it's pretty quiet. It's whisper quiet. I can't hear a dang thing. The pump has zero noise. So how it works is you fill the reservoir with water every week, fresh water. And if your dog has affinity to moving water, this is a way to get him encouraged to drink. The pump essentially is under this thing. It comes with a filter, inline filter here, right under the drain hole, and then the pump itself has a small filter as well. This unit comes with 3 filters for the pump and 8 carbon filters for the water. You need to replace the filter every month and clean out the pump occasionally when things get stuck. Since it comes with 8, you're probably wondering where could I buy replacements, and I had troubles finding it on Amazon Marketplace, but the instructions say to message the manufacturer and they'll be able to hook you up with more filters. There is a kind of an LED display here, which you can see the water level. Okay, and it's basically a USB plug that you put into a power adapter. If you're wondering, this thing is quite large. In fact, just to give you some reference here, it's about 39 centimeters or about 15 inches. And I would say, about 16 centimeters or 6-ish inches high in the ground. In terms of the depth, you can see it's around 11 inches or 28 centimeters. So it's quite a beefy unit, but because it has a large water reservoir, you don't really need to replace the water every single day. That's one of the key reasons why you probably do want a big water reservoir. With the smaller ones, I found that when the dog's drinking it, you do need to replace the water every single day, and it gets tedious. But with a much larger volume, it can go 5 to 7 days without having to replace the water, but at most 7 days you should really be replacing the water. Obviously, in case of contaminants and so forth, and dogs generally like fresh water. Why would you ever want to buy this? If you have a dog that likes non-still water, this is a way to encourage the dog to drink. And you could spoil your dog in that way. Or you could just train your dog to drink still water. Okay, hope that helps.